Good evening, everybody. Bob at 2 Pounds Breaks. It is Saturday, October 29th, and we're breaking Bombox Jerseys Plus. We randomed up our 31 remaining boxes. We just started our series here. 3 is what we got. We did, random team sales on your right. We've already randomized teams and customers alphabetized, everybody. Did give them all a chance to trade. Didn't see any offers, so pop, first box of the night. Here we go. Well, folks, a little hard to see there, but that is going to be a Dallas hit with the Emmitt Smith, folks. We'll open that up in a second. Bam! Also going to be the Raiders spot with the Derek Carr football, folks. But also going to be Tampa Bay with the Tom Brady 2021 Mosaic, folks. And Minnesota's gonna get the do-over. So Minnesota gets a freebie, guys. 4-hit box there. Let me go over Emmitt here real quick. Bam, going to be Emmitt Smith for the Dallas spot. Has the profile, which is Emmitt Smith's personal company, and Beckett Witness hologram for Dallas. These things have really gone up too, guys. Yeah, I was a little shocked. Alright, but who is Dallas? Well, Cherubim starting off the series fairly well. That's his second hit. I forget what he hit last night, but it's a nice hit for Chera there. Well, looks like a few guys at the top of our list are going to be the winners there. It looks like Dog's going to get the Carr football. I'll grab that in 1 second. That obviously wasn't going to fit in the box. Alright, so the Carr football goes to Dog. Gigi gonna get the card. And who has the Minnesota spot with the freebie? Well, Gigi with the double hit. Gonna get the do-over on the Minnesota spot. Also going to take the Tom Brady, not a huge hit, but a little bit of a bonus hit there, folks. Alright, GG. Make the rip of football, y'all. Bam, Derek Carr. Raiders football, folks, has the Steiner certification on that. So that's going to Dog. Carr stuff, not easy to find, guys. He didn't sign for over 2 years there. His stuff's come up a lot. His and Devontae's both come up a lot. So, ball goes to Dog. Smith goes to Chera. Card goes to Gigi. So that is going to wrap up that one boxer, folks. Call out your keeps. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch. 8 p.m. Central. Y'all, Bobby 2 Pops Breaks.